Hi everyone, I will show you how to link your Instagram and Facebook account. First of all, you need to log in into your Facebook account. Now open your Instagram app, go to your profile, then tap setting and privacy and go to the account center and tap the accounts. Now tap the add account. Now tap add Facebook account and tap again continue and select the date of birth and tap continue and tap yes finish adding. Now the Facebook is linked with the Instagram. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.